If we want to edit this call to action over here, we simply have to click either from over here, edit with Elementor header, like so, or from our website, dashboard, templates, theme builder, and header, and click over here to edit. Then we can simply click over here to edit the button widget. We have the type from over here, text, we can change it from over here. We can change the link from over here and click on this wheel icon in order to click over here to open the link in a new window. We can also use dynamic tags by clicking over here to internal URL, by clicking on this icon over here to type to content, and let's search for menu. Now, when someone will click over here on this button, they will be taken to the menu page. We can change the icon from over here, like so, icon position before the text or after, and the icon spacing. By going to style, we have the position, typography with global fonts from over here or custom typography from over here, like the font family, the size, the weight if we want to transform it, the style if we want to, and decoration. We can also change the line height, the letter spacing, and the word spacing. Let's click over here to go back to default. We can then have colors for the normal state and for the hover state. The text color from over here, global colors or custom colors, and background type. We can change the color from over here, global colors or custom ones, with the opacity from over here, like so. And for the hover state, the text color from over here. And for the background type, classic, or we can also have gradient, and the colors from over here, like so. For the hover, we also have transition duration and a hover animation. Okay, we can also have a border type from over here, border width, border color, and border radius. We also have option for the padding from over here.